Hi, in this short video, I'm gonna take you back to Penang. I was there this year in February for Chinese New Year. I'm here in Penang, the beautiful part of George Town Penang, UNESCO World Heritage listed. Thôi chứ không phán cho lên. Oh no, Australia. This is Penang food. Very quiet once you come inside here to the Khoo Kongsi. This is the main entrance and it's really nice. Once you get inside, you see the clan temple. It is historical and it is magnificent. One of the finest Chinese temple architectural structure outside of China. It costs money to come in here, but it's not that expensive and it's really worth coming to visit the Khoo Kongsi. As a Khoo, my surname is Khoo, I get to enter here for free because it's been supported by my ancestors. That is a performance hall where performance is being done to entertain the ancestors, and this is the fabulous temple of Khoo Kongsi. I hope you enjoy watching today's video, the short clip of Penang, my beautiful hometown. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. My name is Victor Khoo. See you in my next video.